this video tutorial, we will see how to print right angle number triangle pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. We can see here, in this pattern, triangle is aligned in the right side. Here, every line begins with a single number character, which are gradually increasing line by line in the range of 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Along with every number, a space character is appended. So let's type code to print this pattern. Declare and initialize a variable with 0. We are going to use while loop here while height less than 5. At the end of every iteration, we are going to increase I value by 1. So let's print the result here. The numbers are increasing line by line in the range of 1. So starting from 1, 1, then 2, then 3, then 4 and 5. And along with every number, a space character is appended. Here we need to concat string with integer to avoid type error, and to print them we are going to use I plus 1, which is going to print 1 time in the first line, 2 times in the second line, 3 times in the third line, 4 times in the fourth line, and 5 times in the fifth line. Run pytriangle.py file in the terminal. We can see here, this is our required result. In the next video tutorial, we will see another type of number right angle triangle pattern.